Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring assets like USDT between wallets is a must-know skill. Today, we're tackling how to safely move USDT from your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet to your Phantom wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device set up with USDT in it. That means you've already installed the Ethereum app on your Ledger since USDT is an ERC20 token. On the software side, ensure Phantom Wallet is installed on your computer or mobile device and that it's connected to your Solana or Ethereum network, depending on your USDT variant. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on your Ledger. This is crucial because USDT runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Once that's done, head over to your Phantom wallet on your computer. In Phantom, go to the Receive section and copy the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the correct address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back to your Ledger. On your computer, use the Ledger Live app or a compatible interface to initiate the transfer. Select USDT from your assets, enter the amount you want to send, and paste the Phantom wallet address into the To field. Double-check the details, then confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by reviewing it on the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. After confirmation, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to process on the blockchain. Once it's done, hop back into Phantom Wallet and refresh to see your USDT arrive. If you're using the Solana version of USDT, make sure your wallets are on the same network to avoid errors. One common pitfall: watch out for network fees. They can vary, so check them before sending. Also, if you encounter any issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Ledger or Phantom support. There you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDT. This method keeps your assets secure in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.